Let's start cooking. I have a duck fat in here. If you have a regular cooking oil, that's fine also. Making some pancit. It's about 1 tablespoon of freshly grated garlic. And once you start smelling the garlic, put the next ingredients. And that will be the onions. Next we're going to put is a handful of carrots. Today we are making pancit and a vegetable lumpia. And once your carrots a little bit toasted, we're gonna put, I cut the fish cake in a little cubes. A little bit of that. And this is tofu. We'll cut it in little cubes also. A little bit of that too. You're going to put a little bit of protein. You can put pork or you can put chicken that's already boiled. Sausage. I'm going to put some cabbage. And a little bit of bell pepper. Let's add some seasoning. I'm going to put some black pepper. Oyster sauce. Another powder, optional. A little bit of salt. And that is our rice noodle, already pre-soaked. Mix it all up until it's all well combined. We'll put a little bit of water. Give it about 4 minutes. Dish number 1, pancit, done. We're going to do dish number 2, which is lumpia, vegetable lumpia. Next we're going to put onions. After the onion, we're going to put the fish cake. And we're gonna toast it just a little bit. And to that, we're gonna add the rest of our fried tofu, our bell pepper, we're gonna put all the carrots, toss it and give it about 4 minutes until the carrots release color. Have 1 tablespoon of black pepper. We're gonna put the rest of our oyster sauce. Perfect. Now we're gonna put our beansprout, cabbage, and this is actually for our lumpia. Cover, give it a couple of minutes before tossing it. You're gonna add a cup of water because we need liquid for our sauce. You need some salt, so we're gonna put soy sauce. About a teaspoon of salt. Alright guys, we're just gonna cook this half cooked. Add the green onion at the end. Toss it again. And we will drain all the liquid. So just wait for the vegetable to cool off. And we need this liquid. The sauce for our sweet sauce. All we have to do is just add the freshly grated garlic. Put as much as you want. We will put sugar, and this is a tablespoon of cornstarch. Let me get some sugar. Let's put 2 tablespoons and then taste it.